The last example is finding an angle of a triangle. We can still use the law of sine when finding an angle of a triangle. So in triangle RST, side T is 7, side R is 9, and the measure of angle R is 110 degrees. What is the measure of angle S? The same thing, you start your solution with illustrating the given, draw and label it. So in this one is this RST, label it as side T, side R, and this is side S. T is 7, so this is 7, side R is 9, and the measure of angle R is 110 degrees. So we use now the law of sine. So sine T over side T is equal to sine R over side R. So we have there sine T, our side T is 7, sine R is 110 degrees over our R is 9. Then cross multiply, you will end with 9 sine T is equal to 7 sine 110 degrees. Then divide both sides by 9, so we can cancel this. So you have sine T is equal to 7 sine 110 degrees over 9. This is how you are going to do it in your Desmos calculator. Since we're looking for the angle, this must be equal to sine T, which is sine inverse, and then 7 sine 110 over 9. Let's try to do it in Desmos scientific calculator. Function. So you have sine inverse, and then 7 sine 110 over 9. That will give you 46.95 degrees. Round off your answer, that's going to be 47 degrees. So, which means that this one will give us 47 degrees. Sine T is 47 degrees. We're looking for sine angle S. So if this is 47 degrees, it's a triangle. It's 180, the total of 3 angles. So the measure of angle S is 180 minus 110 minus 47. So the measure of angle S is approximately 23 degrees. So try to solve practice exercises number 3, and afterwards you can start your classwork in your Math XL. Classwork name is area and law of sine.